This video is the last video in a summary of what Keyword Monster is. Keyword Monster is not just a keyword tool, it's really a data mining tool. And a lot of the data that you get back is going to be kind of in its raw form where you're going to have to take a look at it. By doing this, what you're going to start seeing with the data that gets returned back to you is what the search engines are serving as far as search engine results, what they're finding on other people's websites to get the rankings. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. We'll give you a little clue of what I'm talking about. If you go to the search engine results, and I was looking for two keywords to show you a test. Pick SEO tips. I went to the Google search, and the top three are just ads. The first site is this site here. I went over to that particular page just to see what it looked like, and then I ran Slick Keyword Monster on that page. And that's the #1 site for SEO tips. It's even in their URL, SEO top SEO tips. I bet you is really what they were going after. So I ran Keyword Monster, and here's the results that I got. I got back just using the keyword SEO on there, and I pulled all the data around SEO. There was 43 instances of SEO. Now I wanted to find out what I was going to get back for tips, so I clicked the right word. I went down and I found SEO tips 6 times mentioned on the sheet. Keep in mind this is raw data. It's pretty interesting how it returned the results back. Then, to make it even more interesting, we went over to the second place site for SEO tips, which happened to be google.com support for SEO tips. But they don't have it mentioned in the title. They just say see tips and tricks for the SEO and the tips and broad match. So I went over to that page. It's a standard google.com page. I ran that in Slick Keyword Monster, put it in there, and started it. Came back fairly quickly. The word SEO was on the page 37 times. Click the right hand side, and here's what blew me off the water is there's not even a one mention of SEO tips, but this site is the #2 ranking for the keyword SEO tips. So let's just see what happens when we put this in exact quotes for SEO tips and what comes up. There you go, 10 basic. Google.com comes up again for exact. Now let's see #2. I'm going to go to that page, make sure it's pulling the same page again, and let's see if SEO tips comes up at all. Google is not telling us the truth and not delivering us accurate information. Interesting. So with Slick Keyword Monster, you're going to find a lot of anomalies of what's happening on pages. The tool is going to help you reveal what's being ranked, what type of descriptions they're pulling, titles, things like that. It looks like, in my opinion, quite a few anomalies. So have fun with Slick Keyword Monster, dig up information, and get more keywords on your pages.